Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's new Predator Helios Neo 14. So friend, Acer unveiled the new Predator Helios Neo 14, a portable powerhouse equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra processor, unlocking AI experience on the PC. And in addition, the Acer Nitro 16 laptop has been refreshed with Intel Core 14th generation processor, allowing users to do more when gaming or creating. And friend, the Predator Helios Neo line has expanded its portfolio with its most compact offering to date without compromising performance, even with a sleeker, more portable build compared to its 16 and 18-inch sibling. The new Predator Helios Neo 14 packs massive performance punch at is powered by up to Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, 185H with dedicated AI acceleration capabilities and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU that supports AI-powered DLSS 3.5 with the combination of improved thermals, optimized efficiency, and AI-powered graphics. And you can accept exceptional performance and realistic visual when working or playing on the go, showcasing up to WQXGA display option at 100% support for sRGB color spectrum and NVIDIA G-SYNC compatibility. You will be left at a side with realistic and sharp details across any creative application or game, even on high effect setting. So friend, the Predator Helios Neo 14 will be available in May starting at 1799.99 USD dollar, and friend, the Acer Nitro 16 AN1673 will be available in May pricing starting at 1399.99 USD dollar. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.